Juxtapose, verb, to place two or more things side by side for comparison or contrast. Mnemonic, when we juxtapose two things, it's like opening two doors and seeing what's inside. Example, the artist juxtaposed light and dark colors in his painting to create a striking contrast. Lucrative, adjective, producing a lot of profit. Profitable mnemonic. A lucrative business is like a money bag that is constantly filling up with profits. Example, the real estate market in the city was so lucrative that many investors made a fortune. Magnanimous, adjective, generous or forgiving, especially towards a rival or less powerful person. Mnemonic. A magnanimous person is like a handshake that extends goodwill and generosity. Example, the magnanimous boss forgave his employees for their mistakes and showed them kindness. Malevolent, adjective, having or showing a wish to do evil to others. Mnemonic. A malevolent person is often associated with evil intentions and actions. Example, the villain in the movie was malevolent and plotted to harm the innocent protagonist. Meticulous, adjective, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Mnemonic. A meticulous person is like a magnifying glass that pays close attention to the smallest details. Example, the surgeon was meticulous in his work, ensuring that every incision was precise and accurate. Mitigate, verb, to make less severe, serious, or painful. Mnemonic. To mitigate something is like applying a band-aid to a wound to reduce the pain and severity. Example, the company took steps to mitigate the damage caused by the data breach and improve their cybersecurity. Nostalgia, noun. A sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. Mnemonic. Nostalgia is like an old-fashioned clock that takes us back in time to a cherished memory. Example, the sight of the old town brought back a wave of nostalgia for the days of his youth. Obsolete, adjective, no longer produced or used. Out of date. Mnemonic. An obsolete technology or item is like a pager that was once popular but is now outdated and unused. Example, the company had to replace its obsolete computer systems with newer and more advanced technology. Ominous, adjective, giving the impression that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. Threatening. Mnemonic. An ominous feeling or event is like a dark thundercloud that forebodes trouble and danger. Example, the sudden drop in stock prices was an ominous sign of an impending financial crisis. Paradox, noun. A statement that contradicts itself or appears to be absurd but in reality expresses a possible truth. Mnemonic. A paradoxical statement is like a puzzle that makes us think and question its apparent contradictions. Example, the paradox of less is more suggests that sometimes simplicity can be more effective than complexity.